Narang class to WhatsApp the thab adum sayadre WhatsApp link to we other than ko. Andugi relation between linear velocity and angular velocity discussed over. Conceptual question ani discussed over male. तो param lakani ko v equal to r omega and number relation to over. Centripetal force. Centripetal means central loving force. Circular motion. Diagram hane ye kya doga derivation to wudu ni. Ise type hangali parikha da. Tangent radius का perpendicular होगा नहीं point ani lawsi ani dule velocity displacement c dr center c overload center of the circle c o c angle c d theta and lawsi so angular velocity derived to v ga omega का level relation established so the domain point p and the q p the q from the set c the p the level velocity c v1 q the level velocity na v2 final velocity होगा तो नहीं तो p then q को join तो वो straight line का sang बदू displacement नहीं सी displacement जी dra लोग सी triangle जो कितने सी है को सी radius c position vector r vector है क्या dr जिसमें रोमा हापो triangle law vector decision applied to the OQ से किया गया मानता है r vector plus dr vector चीज OP के असंबगा OQ के असंबगा चमाने रेडियस गातनी अदो OP के असंबन r OQ के असंबसे r plus dr नती मासु r अदुमोय तो P की डायरेक्शन का Q की डायरेक्शन का अनि के लोकेशन से खेनबगी डायरेक्शन डिफरेंट ओरपगिनी Q की दा plus dr नमलाइस को चीज अदुदी टेंजेंट अनि की मीटिंग पॉइंट सी एंगल क्या होगे तो माली डायग्राम तकी अगर हजू अखोइना velocity v1 का velocity v2 का अनि दुदा पैरेलल होबा लाइन अमम चिंगसी सिगी पार्ट से साइ अनि मीटिंग पॉइंट दगिना सिबो के पार्ट से लोकसी को अदुने न खनसी v एदा पैरेलल होबा अम चिंगे v1 द v2 द पैरेलल होबा अम चिंगे डायग्राम मनी सी संगनी सी डेरिवेशन द d theta v1 and v2 sina odias tolasi adias bdias ab has से dv कोना एक्सपेंटर डायग्राम हानि थी और सिंपल ज्योमेट्री में खंगता है करंबा सिंपल ज्योमेट्री नोबु गिवन एंगल अम ले खलसी लाइन अनि की मरक्ट गिवन एंगल अम अनि की मर्टले एंगल सी सपोज थीटा थीटा नहीं खल अब जी एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट अम लौरो हाई बा एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट जी सिने लौसी अमुबसी हाई बा एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट सी तकी given angle sida yauriba line ani sida perpendicular mom singaba sidagi adudi black line ani ji mark angle si kya ga managa dagi sida koi triangle ani phange silaisi sorry triangle ani right triangle se 90 degree se 90 degree ado hosidal river sigil ani si chamani vertically opposite angle ado lemhor angle ani si chamana tar si theta ga mana tar kai triangle ani si 90 90 angle ani mana gara to ani ama vertically opposite angle oi ani ji chamani donu form to angle si hanagi angle si ga mana tar aduna any point amadagi haiba given blue line ani sida chingapa perpendicular chingapa anoba line ani dugi marak le angle si hangi duga chamanagani ado sida sigi horizontal line blue line ani point of intersection sida gi horizontal the perpendicular machingeng khalo inclined line sida another perpendicular machingeng khalo sisu angle theta ga manatar this geometry dagi this is also theta adu sidala isi yengchi mathak thangba circle sida hojik OP ne OQ ne ani gi matlab angle si theta ni tangent ani gi meeting point ji ngo si meeting point si dagi OQ da perpendicular over line ma chinge sorry OP the perpendicular line chinge OQ the perpendicular line chinge adu di nong form to angle CC hanagi angle d theta ga manatar this is d theta angle C geometry ki concept ki aduna hojik sida v1 ki direction to parallel over line nama v2 ki direction to parallel over line nama line ani to mark level angle sisu d theta ka manar hojik si adugi ni sida d theta hapa isi aro definition laksi aduna centripetal force si karma force no bu body ama circular motion chalhan na bu hona bada necessary over force ni ma yaw dragadi ata ko ado magi direction sisu center to gi circle the always direction legada the force ama legadi acceleration lebam 3 acceleration ka force ka ani si direction chamani kanadagi newton gi second law dagi f equal to ma a ki direction ka f ki direction ani si chamani sida aduna centripetal force directed towards the center and that maintains circular motion of the body aduga acceleration of the body duga direction chap managani centripetal acceleration garang tangential acceleration yaukra aduna circular motion the level body amada acceleration makhal ani ni leisi one along the tangent another one towards the center adu hoji body si p de level matamda body si p de level matamda acceleration si center of the direction lakada p de oram force to q de level matamda acceleration si q de gi oram lakara adu di p o g radius ni q o ju radius ni circumference ka center ka joint of line do radius ni aduna centripetal acceleration chu centripetal force chu animal towards the center means acting direction to acting along the radius tani moi le di direction si aduna maram waraga hariba force centripetal force acceleration radial oi hagini kun radial force radial acceleration radial means acting along the radius so aduna radial acceleration har shui radial force har shui it is the force require it is the force it is the necessary force again acting on a body in circular motion and directed towards the center of the circular part acceleration haragana force to ki jaga da acceleration on pitar acceleration oragadi it is the necessary acceleration ko my expression derived to see force ki adi han acceleration derived to ta acceleration ka mass ka puri energy force ta duni let m equal to mass of the body r equal to radius of the circular part v equal to uniform speed of the body my uniform speed linear velocity is tangential d theta is angular velocity ni p dagina q bhag lakpo matam gi the linear velocity of the body is always tangential at any point on the circular part at any point on the circular part point P ga Q ga consider toxi. Considering point P and Q, comma, velocity is V1, V2, and the material angle d theta. Velocities are V1 and V2. 1 to 2 is suffix apoke. Direction to 1 to 1. Change of velocity like this. Velocity need to man the change is not zero. Ngarang idea discuss talk. Hojik sida derivation ki sida velocity V1 ga velocity V2 ga need a parallel over line anything. OA have a OB have a selection. We construct triangle OAB such that OA equal to V1, OB equal to V2, OD ne eramdal receive V1, OD B eramdal receive V2. See triangle law of vector addition apply to C. And arrow C V2 C final velocity ni. Aduna AB harba third side C V2 ram the magi direction happy change of velocity putoka duni. Adu sida O dias sorry O dias nahi O dias A O dias B dias opposition sorry. Or dias B equal to V2. Chile. The triangle law of vector addition applied to the odias AB. Polio to hero. Triangle law of vector addition applied to odias AB. Politad rabo. Jason Doctor odias AB triangle is the triangle law of vector addition apply to Jaychandra. Masih am to line am to mo to chalo. Nobili na khambra. Nikhil. Nikhil Khambro. Shivdataro. Shivdatta.
Sir.
Triangle law apply to.
Sir, tabi bro.
Tight.
So see, vector O dash A plus
O dash A plus.
I see the triangle you talk sir to sir and do yaga.
No, Ugadra. I use Scandal Cabra. Equation do hero have.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, hero.
Sir, the AV vector.
AB vector. Hero.
Equal to O
to.
dash B vector.
Okay, good. O dash B vector. See, same order the Lebanese resultant third side order the Lebanon Huchili. And the O dash AC V1 vector plus AB vector C AB in Sultangisi. O dash V is in a V2 vector. The AB vector si putoke haragadi slakadusi V2 vector minus V1 vector gamanai means change of velocity. Adu maramoraga ABC akoina DV nam hosile change to V2 vector minus V1 vector. Ko chesi. The from triangle ODS AB dagi triangle law of vector addition apply to bugi hojik pangiba policy lower C from triangle ODS AB the AB equal to ODS B vector minus ODS A vector. This is DV vector equal to V2 vector minus V1 vector. Relation number 1. The Hojik triangle and amu compare to see OPQ triangle ahamba circle is. Ahamba circle the label OPQ ga ODS AB ga ani si similar one. Triangle OPQ and triangle ODS AB are similar. Similar one. Similar triangle की property de करी लई corresponding sides की ratio चमने. अदर हजिक ODS O की मतकता नंजिले थमें खिलजी भावना. D theta मपाचाना न लेरनी. ODS AC OP की मतकता लगता है. Si ODS AC OP की मतकता overlapping तरोनी. ODS B दुना OQ की मतकता overlapping तरोनी. अनि दो corresponding side करो. AB का PQ का corresponding side. Go. Then ODS Roma Hapra AB B ODS. ODS A की corresponding side सी OP. AB की corresponding side सी PQ. B ODS की corresponding side T QO. Linear displacement C DR नहीं. मतलब क्या महत्व लगे? PQ vector equal to DR vector is linear displacement. Linear displacement. सिमा हाफ से लग सकता. तो हर सीधा तो दी मैं value substitute तो रुचि होती. ODS की value is V1. Divided by OPDR. ABD DV PQD dr displacement, BO dr C V2 magnitude ni lori si QOD R. QOD R plus dr higher diko. P की direction के Q की direction के खेना begini plus dr in lakri do. Adu V1 के V2 का dicha mane. Since V1 equal to V2 magnitude tani lori si magnitude cha mane V. Adu di therefore adu di dv puthopam changi acceleration puthoke haradi acceleration is equal to dv by dt lakadabani. Rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Adu dv puthokta re adu di first ratio ziga second ratio duga log select hobama natraga second ka third ka select hobama ya first ka last ka sidi chamane aduna v1 by r equal to dv by dr. V1 the V substitute oxy V by R this equal to dV by dr since V1 equal to V. dV put sidagi dV equal to V divided by R into dr. Relation number 2. Sima dum concept na khang bi change of velocity si chamane. V is speed ni. R radius, dr duna linear displacement. Therefore, centripetal acceleration की definition the see force the change of whatever. See force I would see acceleration on topic acceleration A equal to dv by dt. This implies that A equal to dv value equation dagi mathaki equation 2 dagi lower c v by r equation 2 the over dr ga dt ga combined hogi since of equation 2 dr by dt the velocity ni magnitude to v ni v by r into v since v equal to dr by dt. Therefore, A equal to V square divided by R. R is on topic. Sina acceleration की expression. Acceleration derived to हर दूसरी बुक डॉक्टर है. Question number 3. Mass number multiplied to force पंक्ता. Hence, centripetal acceleration, centripetal force, comma F equal to ma. A value equation 3 the giloxy mv square by r. Sima. So the final expression. And do the omega term the EBI. Topomada F equal to mv square by r. V the r omega का माने V the r omega सिंजलदी क्या लगता है r square omega square r mo cancel mr omega square. Sina centripetal force के expression equation 3 centripetal acceleration the marakta hanganba question amalay I will discuss toroxi symbol ino utalage mut pasu minute ahum muk le mut kadura dure di khut hangan siko centripetal acceleration centrum the magi direction laibasi speed constant over matam factor the sumi. When speed is constant means uniform circular motion ki case. Karumba uniform or dragadi direction of the acceleration towards the center C OD. Ko V equal to R omega. See relationship of hunger. Acceleration equal to V square divided by R. See circular overlambid body is chapagi. See the object amal area kalasi. Object C for this one. Koi langumba string aman kiraga circle of the ungangle. Langziga samburger radius kamanani. Radius equal to length of the string. Anticlockwise on ungangle. Circular motion circuit velocity direction C tangential oil. At any point the direction of velocity is along the tangent. Starting point G A N thon mami. A N thole. A the enable are the complete circle. Total displacement 0. Average velocity 0 thy. So tunga point the direction of velocity C tangent line num represent to a tangent ahum chinge. B dama C dama. B the velocity direction, A the velocity direction P. How the lungji O the center G O and Tolaga O the put a pyraga circle of the ungini may be in horizontal circle or vertical circle. Round the shum ungale. Ado Haji Sigma pyre opposite the lungji tutling kalasi. High body Z circular motion to continue to go through. Yes, to Bungambra. Tale, unge sigma pyrokan the longitudinal. Will the body continue the same circular motion or any other type of motion? Martin Kamba Hibungambra.